Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over a quick update on Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG. Just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is for entertainment purposes only. Make sure you do your own research before investing in a stock. So this will be quick, short, to the point, as always. That way you can get back to your everyday life. Other than that, guys, let's get right on into it. Okay, guys, so just a quick update. Yesterday at 5 p.m., the right to exercise the warrants on Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG, expired yesterday at 5 p.m. So, what was going on there was people were exercising their rights to buy the warrants and basically buying the shares at a cheaper price. So, I want to share this article about what happens after the warrants on a stock expires and potentially what we can expect over the next couple of weeks on Golden Nugget. And then also I'll go over a couple of other quick things that happened over the weekend with Golden Nugget and some things to kind of keep an eye out for moving forward. So it says 5 things you should know to profit from a stock warrant expiration. What happens when a stock warrant expires? You get a chance to make a lot of money. A stock with an expiring warrant often represents a great low-risk, high-profitability buying opportunity. The typical pattern for a stock with an expiring warrant is a drop in the price as the warrant expiration date nears, then a rebound moving up immediately after the expiration. I've traded a lot of warrant expirations, and in the vast majority, there is an increase in the price of the common stock once the warrant expires. The warrant expiration puts pressure on the stock because of the arbitrage that is taking place under the warrant. Large institutions are generally buying the warrant and shorting the stock into expiration. They can cover their short position with the common shares received from the exercise in the warrants. As pressure from the short selling abates after the warrant expires, the common stock generally moves to the upside. Think of it holding a beach ball underwater. When you let the ball go, it pops out of the water. Generally, the stock has the same reaction immediately after being let go by the short sellers and arbitrageurs. While this is the general pattern, there are 5 ways you can greatly increase your chances of buying a stock that will pop after the warrant expiration. If your stock meets the 5 criteria, even if there's no pop, it's unlikely that the stock will drop much more for the future short term. You can sell the position flat, neither losing or making money for a very small loss. So I'm not going to go over all 5 of those key points at the bottom. I'll just kind of browse through them here so you can see, and I'll link this article in the description below if you do want to read through there. So I review performance of the stocks in the other sectors. Ideally, the common is near the strike price of the warrant. Look for large volume in the expiration. Look at the stock ranking in IBD or similar service. Then look for a single holder or large block of warrants. So again, this will be linked in the description below if you want to read more about these key points. Okay, a couple of things I want to share with you guys. So I'm noticing on Twitter that we're getting a lot more traction on GNOG as of late, the past couple of weeks, and this is something that stood out to me on March the 1st. Will Meade posted market caps of all the sports betting companies, and you can see FanDuel, DraftKings, MGM, Penn, SCR, and then you see GNOG here. It says 963 million. And in parentheses says this should tell you all you need to know on who gets acquired. And then below has Golden Nugget Online is even cheaper than the score and has live sports betting in Michigan and New Jersey, which are actually in talks with New York as well. That's something that I found out over the weekend. It says very good chance DraftKings and FanDuel and Penn buy both GNOG and SCR this year. Just aren't that many live online sports betting companies. So found that pretty interesting. That's kind of getting some attention as well. Another thing over the weekend that I noticed, if you didn't notice, was they're trending on stock twits. And reason being, I'll just show you a couple of these, but it's a lot of posts on stock twits about GNOG, and it's almost kind of it's actually some of them not that serious, but they're typing in just random things about GNOG and putting bullish or bearish, and so they had so much traction on the ticker symbol that it was trending over the weekend. Okay, guys, this is stock Twits, and I'm going to post this link in the description below. Just to warn you, there's some, posts on here that are relevant on GNOG, and some that are very irrelevant, and quite frankly, in my opinion, kind of inappropriate. Um, so just, take it as you will. But they posted, a lot of stuff over the weekend about GNOG, and if you're not familiar with stock Twitch, you could put if you're bullish or bearish. And some people are putting bullish, bearish, but like I was saying, some posts you're not sure to whether you should take serious or not. You don't know if they're actually bullish or bearish. But like some people like this were talking about, will we see positive movement today? Um, now that warrants are out the way. And then, GNOG, bullish, wake up call, bearish. GNOG in a position to do business in New York and already #1 in New Jersey. Okay, so things like that. So they had a lot of talk over the weekend, and a lot of people post about GNOG on stock Twits, which made it trend over the weekend. So it'd be interesting to see what happens over this next week, as long as the markets are, in good shape and healthy moving forward. So keep an eye on it. But let's go ahead and look at the charts, guys, and see what they're telling us. Hey, guys, we're here on the 180-day 4-hour time frame. And as you can see here, pre-market, we got a buy signal with the green candle, hoping that we can get some volume coming in whenever the market actually does open. It's still fairly early, so the market is actually not open at this time. So we're still just sitting in pre-market right now. So I'm hoping we can start moving up and bust through this line here. That'll give us a healthy sign of the stock moving forward. Want to see it get closer and approach that resistance level of 1668 over the next week or two, and hopefully bust through. So one catalyst coming up for this stock. I don't have the exact date, but I know that earnings are going to be coming up fairly soon for Q1. A bunch of other companies are already releasing their earnings for Q1. So that's something to keep an eye on. In my opinion, guys, if you're not in this stock or if you're looking to average down, now is the time. We got some good buying opportunities for this particular stock. I'm looking to buy more if it holds around this particular level here and just kind of trade sideways for for a week or two. I don't know if it's going to do that or just pop up and start making its way up. I think it might make its way up a little bit and maybe hold somewhere around the $15 mark, and then if we have some positive earnings, then push up higher to the upside. If there's any type of news of it being bought out, then I would assume that would be another catalyst that could move it to the upside. So just kind of keep an eye on that. And another kind of a bonus stock here I'm going to tell you about is hemp, HEMP. If you are a holder of that position or if you're looking to get in, now would be a pretty good time too. We have earnings coming up fairly soon, so I think that that's going to be positive as well, and that's going to send that stock moving in an upward direction as well. I'm not sure how high, but I know that it should, get some traction and bring some volume in whenever they do release earnings. All I got for you this morning, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know whenever we release new content, and comment below if there's any other type of stocks or financial information you would like me to cover for you moving forward. So other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.